After multiplication, we are going to learn dividing a decimal by a number. That means division of decimal numbers we are going to learn. So see, in division, a decimal can be divided by a number by dividing in the usual way. Normally how we do division, in the same way we have to carry out the division. Only where to give decimal point, that is the main thing in division of decimal. So for that, what is the rules here? Decimal point is placed in the quotient when the digit just next to the decimal in the dividend is carried down. When to put decimal in the quotient? When after decimal, when that digit we take down for division, the same time we have to put decimal in the quotient. Okay. See, I will explain. One example we will solve. 138.96 divided by 12. So I will write it in vertical order. 138.96. While division, you don't have to look at the decimal point. Okay. Normally, how do we do? In the same way. So see, first of all, we will take these two digits because it is of 2 digits. Correct? Divisor is of 2 digits. So 12 ones are 12. Correct? Now 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Take it down. It became 18. Again, we can divide it by 1. 12 ones are 12. Okay. Now 8 minus 2, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. Now see, we have to take 9 down, correct? But this 9 is after decimal. Yes. So take 9 down and immediately put decimal. What did I do? After decimal 9 was there, that I took down, and as I took it down, I put decimal here in the quotient. Got it? This is very important step. As soon as you are taking the digit after decimal to the downside for division, immediately you will have to put the decimal point. Got it? Now, 12 5s are 16. Okay. Then 9. Take 6 down. After that, once you put decimal, then regularly how do we do? In the same way we have to carry out the division. Then here 12 8s are 96. Okay. So what is the answer? 11.58. This is the answer. Follow? Now we will learn dividing a decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. In that first one, when we divide any decimal by 10, then what to do? See here. We can obtain the quotient when a decimal is divided by 10 by simply moving the decimal point by one place to the left. See, in multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000, what did we do? We were just shifting the decimal to the right side, correct? Now here in division, what we have to do? If you are dividing the decimal by 10, you have to shift the decimal point by one place to the left side. Okay, means this side. In multiplication, what we were doing? We were shifting to the which side? Right side. And here we have to shift to the left side. Now see, for example, means is it necessary to carry out actual division here? No. What? We have to just shift the decimals. See here. Now 25.56. I am going to divide it by 10. So as I am going to divide it by 10, I have to just move the decimal point by one place. That is, this number write as it is, and here the decimal. So we have to shift it to the right. That it will come to here. Only by one place we have to shift. This is the example. Now here also see. 632.6 divided by 10. We have to shift the decimal to the one place to left side. That is, this number write as it is. At first it is here. So by one place it will shift. Means it will be here. That is 63.26. Follow? Now, suppose it is like that. Divided by 10. Okay? And the decimal is here somewhere. So now after dividing by 10, where the decimal will shift? It will shift by one place to the left. Means after 9. Sorry, before 9. That is 5.924. In this way only we have to shift the decimal. When we are dividing the quotient by 10. Okay? If you are dividing by 10, you have to shift by one place. If you are dividing it by 100, you have to shift the decimal by two places to the left side. If you are dividing the decimal by 1000, then you have to shift the decimal by three places to the left side. Follow? Now we will see dividing by 100. See, we can obtain the quotient when a decimal is divided by 100 by simply moving the decimal point by two places to the left. If you are dividing by 10, only one place you will have to move decimal point. Then if you are dividing by 100, then how many places we have to move? Two places. Okay? See here. Now to the left side we have to move. So this number first write as it is. Okay? And here decimal place is there, no? And we are dividing by now 100. So by how many places we have to shift? Two places. So to the left side means this side. So 1 and 2. Here it will come after 2. Correct? Now next thing, 72.4 divided by 100. Now this number write as it is. Okay? And we have to shift the decimal. Here it is. So we have to shift it by two places. That is 1, 2, and where it will be here. Correct? But only decimal. Here nothing is there, no? So we have to write 0. It is compulsory. Okay? Only decimal you can't write. You will have to put decimal. So it will be 0.74. Got it? Now next thing. This also we have to shift the decimal point by two places. So this number we have to write as it is. When is the decimal point? Here. So it will shift by two places. That is 1, 2, and here it will come after 73. Follow? Dividing by 100. Now see, when we divide the decimal by 1000, what we have to do? See, we can obtain the quotient when a decimal is divided by 1000 by simply moving the decimal point by three places now. Okay? If you are dividing by 1000, then we have to shift the decimal by three places. For example, see here. At first here decimal is there, no? So how many places we have to shift now? We are dividing by 1000. So three places. That is, to the left side we have to shift. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 7.2435. Okay? Here, see here, this number write as it is. Where is the decimal? Here. It should, now we have to shift it three places. So 1, 2, but here third place is not there. So we have to put 0 and here it will come. Got it? At first where it was? Here. So we have to shift three places. But see, 1, 2 only places there. So third place means you have to write here 0 and put decimal. And after that also here you will have to put 0 because whole part is not there. That means we have to mention 0 here. Got it? What did I do? Here only two places were there. And we have to shift by three places. So third place we have to write 0. And after third place put decimal. And whole, at the place of whole part we have to write 0. Okay. Now here we have to shift 3 places, that is 1, 2, 3. Here it will come. So first write this number as it is. And where, see, from 1, 2, 3, here the decimal place will come, no? Here. And here nothing, whole part is not there. So we have to write 0. In this way, only by shifting the decimal, we have to carry out the division by 10, 100 and 1000. Students, let's solve quick check. See here. When a decimal is divided by 10, its decimal point shifts by how many places? 1 place. And to which side it? To left. In division, we have to shift the decimal to left side. And in multiplication, we have to shift the decimal bar to right side. This is the difference. Okay. Now second one, see. When a decimal is divided by dash, its decimal point shifts by 2 places. When do we shift 2 places? When we are dividing it by 100. And which side? Left only. Because division, if we are doing of decimals, then we are shifting the decimal to the left side only. Okay. Now, after division, the decimal point of a decimal is shifted by 3 places to left. It has been divided by, now see, decimal place has shifted to 3 places. That means we have divided that number by 1000. Okay. This everything you will have to solve in your notebook. We'll solve practice 6.10. In that, say divide the following. 7074.2 divided by 14. So let us arrange it vertically. Okay. Divided by 14. Now 2-digit divisor. So for division also we will take 2 digit. 14 5s are 70. Okay. 0 0. Take 7 down. Can we divide 7 by 14? No, so we have to divide it by 0. Because at a time only 1 digit we can take. Now take this 4. Again 14 5s are 70. Correct? Now see, we have to take 2 down. But 2 is there after decimal. So immediately after taking 2 down, here put decimal point. Okay? Now 14 3s are 42. This is important step. Where to put decimal? Once you are taking the digit after decimal place, downside for the division, immediately you have to put decimal point in the quotient. Okay? Now next thing. 9.9675 divided by 15. Correct? Now, here 1 digit is there, here 2 digits. So what we have to do? Divided by 0. Because we cannot divide 9 by 15. Correct? Sorry. Yes. Can we divide? Because 9 is smaller than 15. So divided by 0. Now, you will have to take this 9 downside, correct? But this 9 is there after decimal. So immediately put decimal point in the quotient. Now 15 6s are 90. Take this 6 down. Again 15 6s are 90. Now take this 7 down. 15 4s are 60. Take 5 down and 15 5s are 75. Okay, so answer is 0.6645. We have to divide 78.678 by 18. So first arrange it vertically. Okay. Now divide 78 by 18. Now in 18's table, which number is close to 78? 72. Now take this 6 down, but this 6 is after decimal, so immediately put here decimal point. Now which number is close to 66? 18 3s are 54. 6 minus 4 2. 6 minus 5 1. Now take 7 down. Okay. Now in 18 table, 18 5s are 90, 18 6s are 108, 18 7s are 126. Okay. Now take 8 down. 18 1s are 18. So the answer is 4.371. Followed how to divide? Now see next, find the results of the following. The seventh one. 336.23 we have to divide by 10. That means we will shift the decimal point by one place to the left side. So this number we have to write as it is. Now where is the decimal? Here. So as we are dividing by 10, the decimal will shift to only one place to the left. Means after 1, here it will come. Okay. Now again we have to divide by 10, and here no this is there. See decimal. That means see. So from the left side count 1 and put the decimal. Okay. Now next here we have to divide by 100. So that means the decimal will shift by 2 places to the left side. That is here, no? So 2 places, but here second place is not there. So give 0, put point, and like this way. Okay. Here it goes, no? So 1, second place, put 0, then put decimal, and again write 0 at the whole part. Next, here divided by 10. So decimal place will shift by 1 place. So here it will come 418.25. Correct? Now 1000, that means it will shift by 3 places. So that is see 1, 2, 3 point. Before 4 it will come, that is 0.446626. Okay. Next again divide by 1000. So here only 2 places are there, and we have to shift by 3 places. So it will be 0.040. See here 1, 2. Here put 0 and then put decimal. 86.5.